In this video, I wanted to talk about how cannabis is a unique plant in the sense that the terpenes it creates, the smells, the smell and taste that it creates from the plant, is almost unmatched by anything else in nature. It's a very unique terpene factory. And what this does is it creates these flavors and aromas and tastes that you can't either recreate or you can't find elsewhere in the world. So some of these flavors have been created over years of interbreeding and creating new strains. And we're fortunate to have these, just like how people are. People are created, everyone's different, but everyone brings something unique. Even over all these years of humanity and civilization, there's always new waves of people and personalities. So same thing with cannabis. The terpenes are what give it its personality, what give it its effects. So different terpene levels are precisely what determine whether a strain is indica or sativa based on the amount of myrcene, which is a terpene that provides that sedative effect if there's a lot of myrcene, and if there's not, it provides more of a energizing effect. So just by the presence of that terpene alone, and there's more than just that one terpene, there's many terpenes, and there's a handful of dominant ones in cannabis. So you have different strains that have these different terpene profiles, which literally attribute the effect of that strain to the user, combined with the user's endocannabinoid system, which is unique to them as well. Just like how food allergies are unique to each individual, everyone's endocannabinoid system responds differently to cannabinoids in different ways. So that's why a strain that works for me might not sit well with the next person, or one strain might make someone paranoid where it makes the other person happy and giggly. So all these things are completely down to the person. There's no replicable way. There's even been a lot of brands out there where they try to attach a feeling to a certain strain, and it just doesn't work that way because not everyone is going to feel the effects of that strain the exact same way. So I want to make this video short, and it's strictly to just get the point across about how cannabis plants are unique terpene factories that create smells and tastes and ultimately affect us as humans in ways that nothing else on this planet can do. There's nothing else that creates these smells and combinations of terpenes and combinations of cannabinoids all together in the same ratios. And that's why even the man-made stuff from isolated cannabinoids and synthetic terpenes just don't do the same justice as a real plant does. And there's no way to replicate that. At least not yet. So be sure to look out for your terpenes. Look for the terpene tests. See what's dominant in there. See what the terpene percentage is. Anything over 2% terpenes is good. You want to really be around that 2.5%. If you're far above that, 3%, 4%, it's like off the charts good. So here at Exotics, we've had a few batches. We had one batch touch the 5% terpene range, which was, we haven't seen it since. Usually we're anywhere from like 2.5 to 3.5, which is still a really good percentage, but to have double that, like I said, it's only happened once. So be on the lookout for terpenes, understand them, and they're almost more important than the actual THC itself. So thanks for watching. Follow, check out the website hichris.com for more info on starting and launching your licensed cannabis brand.